Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a custom screenshot to be your, world icon. This can be literally anything, literally whatever you want. Yeah, first you just gotta load up Minecraft, and then click play, and I gotta give it a sec to load. Okay, what is happening? I think my game is glitched. What is going on here? Okay, there we go. Now, as you can see, I have one screenshot already. I'm gonna get rid of this, actually. Set to default. Yeah, this will only be applying to desktop. This won't be working for mobile. I'm gonna make a mobile guide in the future, so yeah. Anyway, just go into a world. That's your first step here. Just go into any Minecraft world and then just tap F2 on your keyboard and then just leave. And then just, as you can see, wait, hold on. And go into here. You'll have your screenshot saved right here. And it will work like this. So yeah, just make that your profile background. And then close out your game. And then just type, or just hold down Windows and R, and then it will open up this, and then just type app data percent Minecraft Bedrock users. This is just your user ID, games com.mojang, screenshots, and then right here you will see your .jpeg file. Now what you can do is just rename, type Control A, Control C, and then just press enter. That'll just copy it to your keyboard. And then grab your little Canva image here. And then just download it. Now you will have test.png, which is what I called it, but you might call it something else. Just drag this into here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to just delete this old folder. And then we're going to rename this and get rid of the .png too. Just copy paste all this. Click on enter and then click yes. Now this will save this as the new screenshot for it. As what Minecraft will read it as, that is how that works. Now if I go to play and I go to this world, it'll now say subscribe. And now your profile picture will also say subscribe too, since you set that as your profile picture. So yeah, that's pretty unique. It's a pretty good way to bypass the screenshots. This is not like any kind of thing that Mojang's going to get rid of, I don't think, and if it does, I will let you guys know. But yeah, that is literally how you do this. It is that simple.